Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great too? Good? That's very great. Yes, I am also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And this is your last working day of week number 7, right? Okay. So in today's class we will be continuing with the topic that we started in this week, that was fractions. Excellent. And what did we practice in yesterday class? How we can write fractions. Very well done. And we also practiced, there were some pictures which were given to us, we convert them into fractional form, and then there were some fractions given to us and we color the pictures according to that, right? So we practiced both ways. Now in today's class as well we will be doing the same thing. So before starting with that, I'll be asking you, let's say this is a circle and it is divided into, okay, you will find it out by yourself. Tell me what would be the fraction for that. You are supposed to make a fraction from the shaded area over the whole number of parts. Yes. Tell me what would be the fraction. How many of parts are shaded? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And what are the total number of fractions? Count from the 3 are shaded and 2 are left. So what would be the total? 5. Got it? Look at this one. What would be the fraction for this? How many parts are shaded? 1. And what is the total number? 3. Very well done. So you have practiced it. Now open your book page number 36. This is your book page number 36. On this, similar questions are given to you. Okay. And we will be doing this together in the class. Okay. So open your books, all of you. Write CW, today's date. Exercise number 27. The statement of the question says that write the numbers of parts each circle has been divided into and the number of parts that are shaded. You are not supposed to make a fraction, you are just supposed to mention the number. Let's say the circle has been divided into, just count the parts. How many parts are there? 3. So you will just be writing 3 over there, right? And are they equal parts? Yes, they are. And how many of them are shaded? Shaded part is equal to 1. Excellent. Look at the next one. The circle has been divided into how many parts? 4 equal parts. And how many of them are shaded? Again, 1. Very well done. Look at the third one. The circle has been divided into 2 equal parts. And how many of them are shaded? Only 1. Very well done. Look at the next exercise, exercise number 28. Circle the correct fraction for each shaded part in the following figures. Now you are just supposed to circle the which is the correct fraction for this. Look at the first one. This dotted line has been divided the circle into how many parts? 2. So first write 2 over there. Now what would be the fraction for this? How many of them are shaded? 1. And what is the total number? 2. So which one is the right answer? A. Excellent. Circle it. Should we move toward to the next question? Okay. Who is going to tell me what would be the answer for second one? Yes, raise your hands. Who would tell me the answer of the second one? Hurry up. Yes. Okay. Yes, Osama. Osama, look at the picture carefully and tell me how the dotted line is divided the square into how many equal parts. Look at the parts carefully. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Excellent. Right? 4 over there. Now, what would be the right fraction for it? How many of them are shaded? Only 1. Excellent. And what is the total number of parts? 4. So which option is the correct one among them? Second one, 1 by 4. Excellent. Look at the third one. Yes, who is going to tell me the answer of the third one? Yes, Sarah. The dotted line has divided the triangle into how many parts? 2. Excellent. So what would be the correct fraction for that? 1 over 2. Very well done. So all of you are done up till now? Yes. Any question? No? Okay. Now look at the next. Turn the page. Now the next topic is parts of a whole. Well, when we were defining fraction, I told you that fractions are basically the parts of a whole, right? So you know that fraction means part of a whole. This whole can be one whole pizza, a cake, a chocolate, a shape, group of people, anything, right? Okay. A whole set can be a group of children, a set of fruits, a dinner set, a set of toys. Anything can be whole, and then we can divide it into fractions. Got it? Fraction of a set. This is a set of, now it says this is just for your explanation. There is nothing to work in this, right? So it's just for explanation. Now the next it says that this is a set of 6 balls. 4 are blue, 2 are red. Look at these balls carefully. 4 of them are blue and 2 are in red color. If somebody asks you to make a fraction from how many of them are red with a total 1, so what would be the fraction? How many of them are red? 2. And how many of, what is the total number of balls? 6. So the fraction would be 2 over 6. Excellent. Now this is a set of 8 teddy bears in a shop. 3 were sold, 5 were left, and you are supposed to make a fraction out of that. How many of them are sold? 3. And what is the total number? 8. So what would be the fraction? 3 over 8. Got it? Look at the ice creams. 2 of them are sold and the total number is 9. So what would be the fraction? 2 over 9. Very well done. So now you have learned that how we make a fraction, basically that we divide the number of the items. Let's say when we are given with the, when we are provided with the picture in which which have been colored or which have a shaded part, then what we do, we divide that shaded part with the total number, right? Or let's say as we have done in the case of toys, that we have divided how many of them are sold with the total number and we get the fraction, right? Okay, class. So that was all for today. We have done some practice exercise of fractions again. So in tomorrow's class, inshallah, you will be having a small weekly assessment. And I want all of you to prepare yourself good for the assessment, right? If you have any confusion, you can ask me. We will practice each and everything in tomorrow's class, inshallah. So I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.